Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's called 3 Paws Up. Why 3 Paws Up? Because I got 3 dogs of myself. I'm gonna introduce you to them. So we have Storm here. Oh, my finger. We have Storm here. Storm is a 3-year-old male Belgian Shepherd. A Malinois they call also. Then we have Farah, a 3-year-old female German Shepherd. And then we have Titus, a 4-year-old female tackle. Slapen. Ja, dat is een mooie. In this channel I gonna post some funny videos together with my dogs. Storm is very energetic and he likes to play with his ball. The bad part is he always chew on his balls, and every month I need to buy a new ball. Farah, she also loves her ball, but I have this ball like over 1 year and it's still not teared apart. And then we have Titus. Titus don't like balls. She has another toy which she loves to play with. Like you see. Eh? We always play like this. And then she shakes her head like it's an animal she's biting on. Then I threw it away. If I can take it, yeah, throw it away, up. And she runs with her little feet. I love this dog. I love them all, eh? I love them all. So yeah, this was the introduction of my dogs.